good, folks? It's your boy DJ Fanatic at soundsforproducers.com. Welcome to this super fast video. You notice you see my desktop here. I'm definitely going to show you something really quick. I had some trouble opening FL Studio. If you saw a couple videos back, I did show another workaround, but basically FL Studio would not open every time I clicked on it. It would just stand there and the program wouldn't open, and I didn't want to uninstall it and go through all that and scanning for plugins and doing all that craziness and reorganizing all my favorites. So I did find another workaround if you have trouble opening FL Studio. This worked for FL Studio 20. I'm pretty sure it may work with the other ones, but all you do is once you have your shortcut up here, let's say you click on it and it just doesn't open. I tried shutting it down, the computer, and restarting it, and just wouldn't happen. So you right click on the icon and then you go to properties, right? And in your properties you can go to compatibility, this tab here, and basically you run the compatibility troubleshooter. And notice that I'm already running it in Windows 8. So what it does, it tries it in different programs of Windows to see if it's going to run, and it opened it right up, and it actually lets you run it in that compatibility mode as long as you want, as long as you don't there's a little box that pops up that says, do you want to open it in this Windows version or whatever every time. I just kept clicking no, and because I had a lot of work and deadlines to do, and that way I can keep opening FL Studio and keep working. But eventually, after like a week long of making beats and whatnot, I probably made, probably like 20 beats in that time period. I was able to know for sure that it's going to work in Windows 8. So I clicked yes, I think it was like a Saturday or something, and it works fine in Windows 8. So that way all the plugins work fine, all the features work okay. I haven't ran into any snags, thankfully, and just it was a relief, because I know how it is when you're all ready to cook up, when you're ready to make music, and all of a sudden you have a technical issue that can really deter you from wanting to make music to begin with. And it was frustrating for me, because even after the other workaround I did, it worked temporarily. So I was randomly stumbled across this. I think you can, if it doesn't work, basically it gives you a recommendation on what Windows version it's going to try to run, and basically you run a little trial, make sure everything's good. And I would say run it for like a week or so in that compatibility mode, based on its suggestions. If you run into a snag, try another. I think it gives you other options, but I didn't even have to go that far. So the reason why I did this video is to help you out, because maybe somebody out there felt my pain and just looking forward to give you some value and help you out, man, because I know making music is a passion for us. So of course there's a bunch of links in the description for some loot packs. If you haven't subscribed, click the sub button, click the bell as well, so you're alerted to more new videos. If I stumble across anything else that I see that can help the producer community, of course I will do so. That's how it is, man. So anyway, give it a thumbs up if this helped solve your issue, and much love, and stay healthy in this quarantine era. Peace.